I was sent this battery operated wall light for my review, and this thing is so cool. So as you can see, it looks like a regular light that you would find drilled and attached to your wall. And you definitely can do that. It comes with all of the hardware for you to be drilling it into the wall. But let's say you don't want to drill into the wall. Maybe you don't have all the wires to be able to do that. You actually, and it comes with it, it's like this cement type glue that you would put on this and stick that on the wall, leave it for about 24 hours, and then you would just attach the plate, and then you would have this. It would look like a regular light, but what is inside is actually battery operated. So you have this, it is rechargeable, so it does come with the cable to charge that, and it also comes with a little remote. So at its brightest, this will last 20 hours when it's fully charged, and at its lowest, it will last 60 hours. So basically, let me show you. So when we turn it on, and then so you have, of course, you know, your warm light, you have your cool light, you have your bright light, all of those. But then my favorite part is that you also have the cool functions where you have the different colors, and they even have one where it's blinking. You have the one where it's going through the whole rainbow. I think that is really cool. And the fact that, you know, it is just battery operated, you're recharging it and it's not actually stuck on there. And how you attach this basically is this is a magnet, and you just put this down, and then it is, well, it's pretty heavy, but it is stuck there. So it is a magnet that's just going to stay like that up on your wall. And this is a 2-pack, which is super nice. And as you can see in the B-roll, how beautiful it looks on the wall.